Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways of painting loose watercolor flowers using only one color. Now let's get started. So when we want the flowers to look more dimensional, adding more layers of paint is a great way to achieve that. So the first one has multiple layers. We can build up colors from light to dark. The thing is, try to apply the next layer after the first one is half dry. So it's not so damp that it will blend with the previous layer, nor create an obvious and rigid boundary. Of course, there's no problem with either of those. However, it just all depends on how you want the outcome to be. The second flower is more minimalist. Firstly, we can use a watery brush to paint the shape of the petal, then dab some concentrated paint and let it blend in on its own. Next, we can use a brush to create more detail. So unlike the first one, where we let it get half dry, for this one we can just add the next darker color directly on top without waiting for the first layer to be partially dry. Let's move on to the third one. The third flower is in a bowl shape. So firstly, we add the color to create a rounded shape and gradually add layers from the bottom when it's half dry. Now we can use a napkin to dab the paper but stick with the top right part instead of dabbing the whole flower. Now we can see from here there's a light boundary here. Now we can add darker paint. Just be careful now to apply the color too evenly. Finally, we can add the stem. Now we can splash some paint and add more tiny dots for decoration to the background. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye!